Hey, what's going on, Trap Watcher? Today is September the 6th, 2021. What is the best stock that's going to give us a short squeeze? I got you. We're going to talk about that today. You can see from my chart already, it's Best Incorporated. BEST is the ticker symbol. Now, why would I say that this stock could give us a explosive movement to the upside in price? I got you. I'm gonna talk about that just by looking at the chart so we all can see why do we think that this particular stock is going to go up. That's the only thing we were worried about, is to see the price is going to go up, because if so, we want to make sure we get in position and that they're able to eat off the market move while everyone else is guessing, holding the bag. So if you guys want to join us, hit me up, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. I want to make sure that everyone in our community is able to see price predictions without being confused, right? We've been in your shoes. We've seen ample amount of technical indicators. Literally, there's thousands of technical indicators out there that try to give you the braille, the holy grail of understanding price movement, and they're all literally is garbage. You don't need technical indicators to figure out where price is going to go. So if you guys want to learn more, we're here. If not, there's thousands of other technical indicators that you could try to use that you think you're going to get a heads up, but you're really not. Have at it. All right. So now check this out. This is Best Incorporated, right? We're looking at the chart on a weekly time frame. I want you all to see some things that has been occurring into the market in best.com ever since like the beginning towards the end of 2020, right? One of the main things I tell everyone in our community is to be on the lookout for is for volume. We need to see volume in the market and the stock exchanges, right? Market volume is the lifeblood of every exchange. If the market is not exhibiting or displaying a lot of volume, the market is dry. No one is active in the market. But the moment you start to see massive volume bars, you got to start perking up. You got to say, okay, what's going on? Because understandably, retail traders cannot create this much volume. Look at this one. The one that came in on the week of June 21st, 2021. Retail traders did not do that. Plain and simple. There are literally thousands and thousands of markets out there, right? Trillions of dollars are being traded on a day-to-day basis. And to zoom in and be coordinated in this one market best to make this much volume, retail traders did not even catch this. No one even knew that Best was actually getting this much interest, was actually garnering this much volume. So what do they know that we don't? Why would they come in and give us this much volume in best.com and the news didn't pick it up? Social media's not talking about it. So who came in on this particular week and actually participated? That's a good question. We really don't need to think about it though. We really don't care who came in and actually worked. We still see their imprints. We can still see their footprints left on the price chart. All right. That's one indication to kind of let us know, okay, this stock may be actually geared to see some higher prices, right? Now, timing is one of the biggest problems that we have when we come into the market, right? Sometimes the market moves quick. Sometimes it takes weeks, months, to even years before we see a breakout or a breakdown in market price. Look at Best. All of this volume that came in on the week of June 21st, the market price is still hovering sideways. We're still trading sideways, right? Okay. So it kind of tells me, and it should tell you that, yeah, the market may be not primed just yet to have this breakout, but it's building up the momentum based off all of this volume that came through. Right, see that? Okay, got that. Now let me zoom out, okay? Because you want to see if we're anticipating the market price in and Best. If we're looking for the market price in Best to go up, where will we see the next area of restriction, right? At what point would you expect the market to go? We've already saw that previously right here. Okay. Do you see that? Let me zoom in. I want you all to see this right here. We saw that during the week of June 21st, the week of June 28th. We saw that rejection come through. $2. Cool. Now, if we were anticipating the market move to go up in Best, That's 50% profitability right there. Simple, right? 50%. Let's see how we looked on the monthly time frame. Look how we ended last month. This is not a coincidence. The volume is heavier than what we were when we first started the trading in the market invest. All right. Even on this very small spread from August, we got a small spread in the market invest, right? But the volume was about the same as what it was during the month of July. Buyers came into the market invest. I'm just telling you right there. Buyers came into the market, or at best, the shorts are now trying to cover their positions into the market invest right now. So that's one reason, or a second reason as to why we're going to anticipate this market price invest to go up. Now, the only issue is the timing. I can't give you the timing as to when this is going to occur, but for the most part, we are getting that support. We are getting the information that buyers are now coming to the market invest. Now, our first area would be right there around $2. Second area will be up here towards 250. That's about 82.35% profitability right there in the market. Simple. Okay. Simple. That's it right there. Done. And bring this over. Playing this on the daily time frame. All right. Bring this over as well, so we can continue to track where we are eyeing the market to get rejected in price. So we won't be surprised when we see the market invest go up, get rejected, and come back down. Right. Now, there are areas in between from where the market closed on Friday to our first area of restriction that we can see the market get rejected again to $1.70. Closer areas around $1.50. Simple, right? So now this is it. This is what I'm seeing on the chart right now in BES. This is the stock that I'm eyeing that the market has a bigger chance of going up in price. That the market may actually catch a lot of people off guard, that a lot of people are not noticing, and once it occurs, then everyone's going to try to jump on the ship and try to ride the wave, right? The only way that you can really win in the stock market is to already be in position. So now I saw this, wanted to come in, show you all what I'm thinking about this particular market in BES and where I'm expecting the price to go, right? This is what I'm seeing. So now it's your turn. I don't want you to try to get me to persuade you into thinking, yeah, I want you to think for yourself. You know, let me know, what do you see on this chart? What do you think the price is going to go in BES.com? Because in the end, you'll have to be the one to pull the trigger and to get in and to get out, right? Where are you comfortable at? What are you expecting? Think for yourself. See the chart for what it is, and you come up with your own conclusion. So drop me a comment in the comment section and let me know if you see anything different for what I talked about, and we can converse that way. All right, it's that simple. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.